Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method swapcase. In Python, the swapcase method returns a copy of the specified string where all uppercase characters are converted to lowercase and vice versa. The syntax for the method here is string underscore object followed by dot swapcase. And for the string method swapcase, there are no parameters. So the string that we'll work with here is this string here where it's all uppercase. In Python, a string is immutable for the variable Python underscore str. So we'll run this and return this here as output. So this is a string that we're working with. So we'll start here by converting this string for all characters to lowercase. So we'll create a variable convert underscore to underscore lowercase, which equals to Python underscore str dot swapcase. And then we'll print the result here. So print convert underscore to underscore lowercase. And so when we run this, we can see here for the output, all the characters here, which were uppercase, which was all the characters in the string, is now converted to lowercase. So this return string where all uppercase characters are converted to lowercase. And we can also look at the reverse of this, where we convert all lowercase characters to uppercase. So we'll create variable convert underscore to underscore uppercase equals to convert underscore to underscore lowercase dot swapcase. And then we'll print here the result, which is print convert underscore to underscore uppercase. And looking at it here for the output, we can see that all the strings now, which for the character in the string, which was converted lowercase, is now converted back to uppercase. So this is now the same as the original string. So return all characters converted to uppercase, which is the same as the original string. And we can also look at the conversion here for mixed case. So create a variable here called Python underscore program, which equals to the string Python with the uppercase P, and then programming where there's mixed casing here, where there's an uppercase G followed by lowercase r, a, and then uppercase M, M-I-N-G. So we'll now print the string that we're working with and also the casing where it's switched. So Python underscore program dot swapcase. And so looking at the output here, we can see that this was the original string that we're working with. And this is the string where all the casing have been switched. So this returns a copy of the string for Python underscore program where uppercase letters are switched to lowercase and vice versa. So this is how to use the swapcase method in Python to switch the casing for a specified string from uppercase to lowercase and for characters which are in lowercase to uppercase.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.